Phillies, welcome back. Hello, good morning. It is Monday, October 3rd, but guess what I got finally in the mail? My Boxycharm boxes. So we're gonna get started. We're just gonna pick one box. I don't know what this one is first, but okay, so this is the premium box, and theme for September was strut your runway, and we got 6 items here. Let's start like skincare first, and then go into the makeup stuff. So let's see. So we got a serum, we got vinegar liquid glow. I think that's a tonic or a toner. So let's go with that. I don't have, anything, no cotton or anything like that to kind of, because my face is clean. So right here we have the Nuco, the pill all-in-one serum. It's $85. Okay, wait a minute. Single dose high potency actives designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. Okay, yes, please. Yes, please. So, I don't know how everybody else has been sleeping. I've been sleeping like straight nothing. So, all right, so this is what it looks like. It just smells like, if you guys use the pharmacy 12% body lotion, that's what it smells like. Wow, that absorbs really quick into the skin. I really like that. I don't like when products just kind of sit on your skin. Allow that time to work. So it's not bad, not a bad product. So I mean, of course, obviously we have to use it, and that way we can give like a good formal judgment. All right, next is that Elemis. This is the fruit vinegar liquid glow. Yeah, so it is a facial toner. I love me Elemis. $36. So it's got ahas in it. So if you remember, alpha hydroxy acid, apple vinegar, apricot, and peach. It's exfoliating, gives you like a nice glow, and because of the fruits and stuff, it's vitamin C. Mild enough for twice daily, glow boosting toner. Oh, look at it. It's got a little pump thing to it too, so you can just put your cotton pad to it and just push on it. I want to smell it. Oh my God, that smells so good. It's like not too fruity, not sweet, but like, I don't know, it's hard to describe. You're gonna have to get this and find out for yourselves, but it's definitely like a fruit. I want to say maybe there's more of the peach that you can smell than anything. You can't smell the vinegar in here, obviously, but I want to try this tonight. Let's see. Ooh, a lip scrub. This one. All right, so it's Trace Loose Beauty Always Suave Lip Scrub. It is $14. It's nourishing, exfoliates lips with plant-based fibers and shea butter. All right, so this is what it looks like here. It's very similar, I want to say, form. If you go to Sephora, their lip glosses and stuff. This is what it looks like. It smells fruity. I like. Is there a color? I mean, obviously there's. It is so nice. Like, use 2 to 3 times a week, work through top layer, apply to lips, and wipe away excess scrubbing agents. But we're gonna keep scrubbing. And then got some good old Kleenex. Okay, so there is like a little hint of color, but of course, Definitely like made my lips smoother and softer. Okay, which is always a plus for me, okay? Love it. Love, 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 love. All right. So those are 3. Okay, Tula Skincare Brightening Up Smoothing Primer Gel. Yuzu packed. I'm gonna have to read up what yuzu is. So looking, that's Tula. Okay, that's the item here. There's probiotics for balance yuzu, brighten skin's appearance, and willow herb, calm blemish prone skin. So helps to unclog pores, or without clogging pores. This is $34. I mean, I don't think there's anything in here that where I would need to use for my face. So it's sealed. Oh wow. It's like, do you see that? It's like, it looks like boogers, but like it's matte. And it smells very herby. Just for ha-has. And then when you put it on your hands and stuff to warm it up, it like turns very cooling. Now, I don't think it's supposed to mattify your skin per se. Silicone-free priming gel grips like makeup, or grips makeup. Okay, but I mean, I guess, you know, if you think about it though, depending on the type of primer that you use, you don't have to wear makeup with them, especially if they're like glow primers or anything like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it has like a blurring effect? It doesn't say that it's supposed to, but I don't know. It feels good on the skin. All right. Next, One Size Patrick Star Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil, and we need to work on these brows. They are $19. Okay, here's the tea. 12 hours waterproof and smudge-proof retractable brow pencil. Like that, and it says here that it's supposed to create hair-like, you fill in the blanks with real hair-like strokes to amp your brows for any kiki. Okay, I got the dark brown color. If I can remove it. Oh, look. This might be a little bit light for me, so it has a little spoolie here. Here's the pencil part. Okay, I don't know, it might look a little light for me, guys. So let's take a test drive, shall we? Okay, it just looks a little lighter, but it's not. It doesn't look bad. I mean, it is more warm, which I'm used to, but it's not like super warm where you can definitely see like a deep contrast with the top of my head. I don't think that looks too bad. What do you guys think? All right, be right back. I'm gonna pause and we're gonna do the other eyebrow. All right, so the brows are done. I really like this. I do. It's very slim, very compact, and it does give you enough where, if you can see some kind of little smudges here and there, where you can make them darker strokes or lighter strokes. I kind of did more of a moderate and stuff, so that way it still looked real. I guess it's like the best way I can describe it. And then the last thing that we have here is the iconic London Dusk to Dance eyeshadow palette. $62, 20 new highly pigmented shadows to include every skin tone. So let's see. It's very pretty. It's in rose gold. And y'all know I love me my rose gold. Oh. Oh. So pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so we have to do, I want to do this money plant, but oh, okay, so let's use this one. Money plant. Let's do I've arrived, and then, oh my god, it's so soft. And then manifest. Okay. So it is so pretty, especially that money plant. Now the mat that I've arrived is a little chalky, but again though, it's kind of like there's no primer on there, but I'm sure like when you put like a good primer on it, it will stay. Okay, so that's my premium box. So stay tuned for, I'm assuming is the Luxe box, okay? And we'll see you shortly.